Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PBHG. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today on this, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume bar. It wasn't nearly as big as some of these past days, but it definitely was above average. And of course, you got the nice price action with it. So going forward, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on, as there's going to be, I'm sure this set off plenty of scanners and screeners today. So there's going to be more eyeballs on it next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we've said, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there at 001. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 001, I'm not saying the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-day simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I am defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 001 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% control the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party finally stopped today up there at 0014. So 0014 for no other reason other than that, just like I said, where the party stopped today is going to be that key battleground going into next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great volume today, great price movement. Now it's definitely just a question going into next week of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.